guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through my Sunday. We had a bachelorette last night, so the voice is a bit gone, and it was very fun, but we only got home at like 2 in the morning, so I'm quite tired. It's about 10 now. I just showered and I'm getting ready for a brunch with some of my friends, so I'll take you guys along with me today. Leaving now to go to my brunch with my friends Erin and Bryony, and we're going to Lexi's Eatery, which is in the village, so I'm very excited to go there and just have a good brunch. Their food is quite healthy, so I'm excited to just eat something that's a little bit more healthy today, as we did eat some bad food last night. Yeah, so I'm excited to just leave and go see my friends. am back home now. It is around 6 o'clock right now. I think it's about 6, yeah. And it's been raining the entire day. It was actually such a cold and gloomy day, but it's actually so nice, just relaxing. We haven't had weather like this in forever, and I love weather like this. Wait, let me just push you guys down. Y'all, I am going to balance you guys on my candle. Yeah, so we haven't had weather like this in forever, and it's actually so nice just to have some chill weather. And it was quite a relaxing day. I just went to brunch with my friends, and then afterwards I just took a nap. I was so tired. Yeah, took a nap, and then we had some cake and coffee at my parents' house, which was really fun. And now I'm back home, and I think tonight I just want to have like a relaxing evening. I'll probably edit this vlog to get it ready to upload tomorrow for you guys. Yeah, so that's typically what I do on a Sunday evening anyways, is I would edit the vlog or video or whatever so that it can be ready to upload on a Monday. And yeah, I'm just gonna put on some candles, maybe put on a series to watch, and probably take a bath as well somewhere in between all of this. Usually I have projects that I need to work on as well on a Sunday night, but luckily last week I handed in 2 projects, so I only have a project due on Friday, so no need to work on that tonight. I'm just going to take it easy, relax, and enjoy this weather because it's so nice. It's raining outside, and yeah, so let's do this evening. Also, I forgot to say that I will be doing my budget tonight as well, and doing some goals and planning for the month that is coming. It's April 1st, was on Friday. So yeah, I definitely have been slacking this weekend. I should have done this already, but this weekend was just so crazy. So now I decided to do it tonight. So I think I'm just going to do my budget and you know, just set some goals and go through last month's goals. If you guys haven't watched my March reset routine, I will link it down below or in the eye. And I'm basically just going to go through that routine that I did there, just to make sure that like I have all my goals set out and ready for the months to go, and just see how well I did in March. One of the goals was actually to reach 50 subscribers, which I reached more than that, so I'm actually very happy about that. And also, quick note, I want to know if you guys know of any places where we can get really cute bands for the MI Smart Band 6, I think. So I started at a new job this week, and they gave us these watches because we do challenges and things like that, and we need to keep track of everything we do. And I was just wondering, I mean, obviously it's nice to have, but I don't like the black band. It just looks so harsh and I have to wear it. So I want to get a cuter band for this. So I think what will be nice is if you guys can leave some recommendations down below. I would really appreciate that so much.